Hey folks, Jay Strothman here with Trophy Properties and Auctions. I'm at 471 Old Colony Road. We've got a fantastic opportunity here. This house offers 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, just over 1,000 square feet. There's an attached 1-car garage. It has an unfinished basement, and it's a fantastic property with 1.75 acres in Francis Howell School District. With the wineries down the street, Katy Trail, 10 minutes from Highway 40, 25 minutes to Winsville, 25 minutes to Washington. It's just in the center of everything. If you're looking for an outdoor lifestyle and enjoy the wineries and the country, this is the place for you. Make the home yours. Sweat equity, create your new vision, or just build your new home. This auction ends February 7th at 1 p.m. I've got an open house on January 14th from 10 a.m. to 12. If you're interested in your own private tour, you can call me at any time and I'd love to show you. Give me a call, 314-757-6655, so I can give you a private tour at any time.